The last white sawdust on the floor was grown, by Edna St Vincent Millay. Read by Frank Blissett. The last white sawdust on the floor was grown gray as the first, so long had he been ill. The axe was nodding in the block, fresh blown and foreign came the rain across the sill, but on the roof so steadily it drummed, she could not think a time it might not be. In hazy summer, when the hot air hummed with mowing, and locusts rising raspingly, when that small bird with iridescent wings and long, incredible, sudden silver tongue had just flashed, and yet maybe not, among the dwarf nasturtiums, when no sagging springs of shower were in the whole bright sky, somehow upon this roof the rain would drum as it was drumming now. That was The Last White Sawdust on the Floor Was Grown, by Edna St Vincent Millay. Read by Frank Blissett.